I was told that on this very small island there are many remnants from World War II, German installations. So I wanted to check it out and see if I could find something of interest here. Getting close to the summit, all the people on their way. It's probably a very popular hiking destination here for the locals. And a nice trail to reach the summit. And a wonderful view. Over there we have the island of Hitra, which is the largest island in the southern half of Norway. This island is very small, but Germans found it very important during World War II. So there was a lot of soldiers here and prisoners of war as well, building these installations. Not so much to see here. Not a huge construction at the highest point on the island. I guess they had someone to sit up here and watch what was going on down there if enemy ships would come, which was our allies. Good view. Ships going to Trondheim. And up here so something interesting. Let's take a look. Hitler, says Hitler. Could be some kids having fun. Who knows? The view up there was great, but not so much to see. So let's take a look if we can see something more interesting, maybe on this island. A local told me that if I walk over here in this direction, just up ahead, we have the headquarters of the Germans. And they even made a little museum up there with some information. And I feel totally safe walking around here on these parts on this island. There's not a lot of crime here. No gangs. So if you come here, you do not have to worry about getting robbed on this island. I think robbery never happened here. At least not an armed robbery. But I don't think there's ever been a robbery here on this island. The only people who came here and caused trouble were the Germans. And thankfully they're gone. Friendly sheep. And here the locals have made a little museum showing off one of the impressive cannons. This is a gun from Czechoslovakia. There were several on the island. 14 Germans needed to operate this one. And lots of information about those years. Actually, they had to tear down quite a few houses here, the Germans, to make room for all the cannons. Locals not very happy about that. Here you can see a map showing the island and all the different installations. Minefields, cannons, bunkers everywhere here. This is the bunker below. So, can't go in there now, but during the summer you can go there. And the entrance to the headquarters just over here, down here. But yeah, it's closed off, turned into a museum. But during the summer you can contact a coastal museum here and get access. But one of the locals told me that over in this direction you can find some bunkers where you can access. So that's where I'm going. It's about 1 kilometer or so over there. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, there's definitely something interesting up there. So let's take a look. Hopefully we won't find a body or something down here. Trying to see if I can see some signs on the walls. It's a pretty big room here. Hopefully I won't get lost in here. It's another room. Yeah, it's easy to get lost. Doesn't get further here. Here I can go up. I'm not going up. Trying to find my way back. Did I go here or? I think I went here. This is where I went. No. So we're here? Is this where I came? Or is it? I think I came from here. It's close here. Over here maybe. There's an exit here. But that's not where I came from. It's like a tunnel in here. Shit, seems to be in trouble here, but oh. One of the lights, one of my flashlights ended. I only have two. I have one left. Is this where I came from? It's in trouble here. This is possibly the way out. I'm not sure. But what the heck is happening to my flashlight? It seems to lose power. Oh, it stopped. Fuck. In total darkness here now. Try to find my way out without a flash. And here, thankfully, I think this is the exit. Yeah, I made it through, but that's kind of scary in there. Oh, it's so nice to be out here and see the sunlight again after that horrible experience down there. So I can't say I recommend it. It's a nice fishing boat over there. Really appreciate these things now, seeing the fishing boat and just being alive. That's a bad experience.